Hello guys, I am back with a new video, and today I'll teach you how to use a professional grip tape. So let's get started. Guys, this is a Connex PU104 professional grip tape, and with this grip tape I will use my racket CI6 Connex. You can see this Connex bat. I have not played for long. It is shining, and I have also already opened the grip, and so let's open this and get started. Yo, this is so relaxing. Yo. So this is a tape, branded tape that comes with it. So just unroll it. You can see some great things are made in here. Can you see? Comment down. Yeah. So this is the tape. So let's at first wrap it from the end like this. So open this at first. Why is not it going? So this is the main grip. Wrap this. Wait a second, is this side sticky? I just cannot understand. Or this side will be my grip. Let me understand and get back in a minute. So I was just going the right way. So you have to wrap it from here up to here. Then I will just show you what to do next. So I have done up to this. Continue this up to this. Then gets back to the bed. As you can see, I have came to the end. So wrap it till this, and you can see a glue thing like this in here if you are using professional tape only. So let's do it like this. Make sure that your hand is firm tight, and continue till this line. And when you are at your comfortable position, like I am in a comfortable position in here, so I will just pluck out it. Just keep it tight. This is the main thing. And the tape that at first we see Connex has given it to us, so just you have to use that only. Just take this all and make sure that this is good, in a good position. And yeah, I just did it. Now let me just, why is that